Let's cook this delicious and juicy chicken dish, healthy cravers. First, i-wrap natin ang whole chicken with salt and black pepper. Importante ito para ma-season agad ang chicken at pumasok ang flavor hanggang loob. Next, i-stuff natin ang chicken with garlic, onion, ginger, and lemongrass. These aromatics will give a strong smell and deeper flavor habang niluluto. Gamit ang toothpick, isara natin ang chicken cavity para hindi lumabas ang stuffing habang niluluto. Let it rest for 30 minutes to 1 hour para ma-absorb ng meat ang seasoning. Mas magiging juicy at flavorful ang chicken. Now, sa pinainit na pan, i-brown natin ang chicken on all sides with little amount of oil. Dahan-dahan lang para hindi masira ang chicken. Use a good pan for this. These steps adds color and extra flavor. In the same pan, isaute ang garlic and onion hanggang maging fragrant. This builds the base flavor ng sauce. Then, ibalik natin ang whole chicken sa pan. Add a small bowl of soy sauce, 4 tablespoons oyster sauce, and 2 cups cola. Yung soy sauce for saltiness, oyster sauce for richness, and cola for slight sweetness and tenderness ng meat. Cover and let it simmer slowly. After 25 minutes, carefully i-flip ang chicken para maluto evenly both sides. Then let it cook for another 20 to 25 minutes hanggang maging soft at fully cooked. Finally, alisin ang lid and let the sauce reduce and mag-thicken. This will create a rich, glossy glaze na pumakapit sa chicken. And that's it! Juicy, tender, and flavorful Pan-Braised whole chicken, home-cooked style. Simple ingredients pero solid ang lasa. Time to enjoy our whole chicken with rice, classic Filipino style. And if you liked this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more easy home-cooked dishes. Complete ingredients are shown at the end of this video and also in the description box. See you in our next recipe.